guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make my Vodka Burrata Pizza Bagels. This has quickly become a favorite of mine. I love everything with vodka sauce, and I also love burrata cheese. So, why not add the two together? This is perfect to make with your kids or for a quick lunch or as like a snack at a party. So you're just going to start with whatever bagel you like. I have plain bagels here, and you're going to just take a vodka sauce and kind of pour it over. You want to be generous so they're saucy, but you don't want to be too much so that, they're soggy. Saucy, not soggy, if that makes sense. It's a good time to preheat your oven to 350 degrees because trust me, you're not going to want to have to wait to preheat when you're waiting to eat these. So get your oven preheated and then go ahead and place the burrata directly onto your bagels. Now burrata is a really soft cheese, so it's definitely going to be soft here, and it's also, pretty difficult to cut. So obviously it does not have to be cut perfectly because it's going to melt and be fantastic anyway. But just try to get an even amount of cheese on all of your bagels. Final step, I have a blend here of parsley, oregano, basil, and some garlic powder, and you're just going to want to sprinkle it right on top. Then it's ready for the oven. You're going to put it in a 350 degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. You know that your bagels will be done when they appear toasted and your cheese is melted. You don't want to overcook them because then your cheese might slide off, and who wants that? And after that, you have Vodka Burrata Pizza Bagels that are absolutely delicious. Trust me, it's an easy recipe, but a solid one. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.